Hi everyone, I'm Kalaskalakrithi and welcome back to Kalaskalakrithi. In this episode, I'm going to give you a recipe which I learned almost 30 years back from my neighborhood auntie. A time when there was no YouTube or an internet connection. Her recipe was so authentic, even now I make only that. And let me tell you, the secret of this recipe is in slowly frying the ingredients which go into the ground paste. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Take the rice and the dal, the Toor dal and the Moong dal. You can take your required quantity or as mentioned in the ingredients. You can use any rice, the Sona Masuri rice or the Poni raw rice. Whatever rice or even the Jeera Sambar rice is very good for this. Wash the rice well along with the dal for 3 to 4 times and then add in the turmeric powder along with about 5 to 6 glasses of water or a bottle of water and pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. Take a kadai, pour about 1 liter of water and add in all the vegetables that you have cut. You can add any number of vegetables, whatever is to your liking. Put in the turmeric powder and the salt and let them all come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in the tamarind paste, about 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste to this sambar. Now we are going to add in the sambar powder, about 3 teaspoons of sambar powder to this mix. That is enough because we are going to add in the ground paste as well. In the meantime, take another kadai, pour in about 1 tablespoon of ghee and add in your cut onions. Fry them well in order to put them into the sambar kadai. Here you can see all the vegetables boiling and you can add in the onions, the fried onions. In the meantime, in the same kadai, pour some more oil and add in the Chanadal. About 2 tablespoons, add in the Chanadal and let it fry well. Now add in the cumin seeds and the peppercorns. Keep the flame on low or keep it in sim for this paste and add the coriander seeds and let them all fry well. Fry them well till your chana dal takes on a light brown color. It changes color. Then add in your condiments. Firstly, we add in the cinnamon and then the cloves. About 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon and about 4 pieces of cloves and then 2 pieces of elaichi or cardamom and fry them all well along with 1 teaspoon of Khus or kasa. When it takes on a golden brown color, add in the red chillies. And in goes the coconut and fry them to a light golden brown color. The chana dal has become brown. The coconut is light brown. Grind it in the mixie nicely to a fine paste like this and pour it into the sambar which has already been boiling. And you can just wash in the mixie and pour in the water. Along with that, pour about 500 ml more of water to get the right consistency. Now let's have a look while this is boiling at the rice which is already cooked in the pressure cooker. Let's take a look at it. There is your rice. It's well cooked. Pour in a generous tablespoon of ghee and mix in the rice and the ghee along with the dal. Squish it in. And now the rice is ready to be added to the sambar. Sambar which is already boiling and is ready to take in the rice. All the vegetables are in, the paste is in, and now we are going to put in the rice. And thereafter your Bisibela bath would be ready. In goes the rice. The whole lot of rice can go in. This serves about 5 to 6 people at home. And once you mix it all in, the rice and the sambar and the paste and the vegetables, they all get cooked together and your Bisibela is ready to be served. Just add in about 1 more tablespoon of ghee, and along with that in goes the coriander leaves, and we are now going to season it. Take about 1 tablespoon of oil, put in the mustard seeds and the methi seeds, let it splutter while we go on to add the urad dal. I have used the chilka urad dal with the skin. Once this splutters, the seasoning can be poured into the Bisibela bath and your Bisibela is ready to be served. There you can see, just mix it up well and your Bisibela is now ready to be served. Here is the Bisibela bath which is ready to be served. It goes very well with papads, potato poriyal or potato fry, along with delicious curd rice. And here you can see that platter. I hope you like the recipe, and if you do like my videos, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much and happy New Year to all of you. Have a wonderful year ahead.